Alright, so we're back at the school grounds today. This thing's running. The units down there are running too. We're gonna look at this one first. It's like something like 3:40 in the afternoon. This one's running. Open scroll. That's working amazing. All cold and sweaty. This thing's running in cool mode. And has a gen motor. Yeah, we're back at the carrier heat pumps again. I have a better video of them in cool mode this time. Here are the 3 carrier units down there. They're all running. Nice. Some hot air coming out of there. Ocean fan motor. Oh, that one just shut off. Down there, you see that one? That one just shut off. In 2020, 5-ton, January 2020. That's working great. This one over here shut off a little bit ago. 2017 3-ton, December 2017. Gen Tech motor, and it has a LG scroll compressor. Actually, I already know that. Awesome. This one just shut off right here. Here's the reversing valve right there. Reversing valve right there. There's a reversing valve right there. 2017 3-ton as well. Yeah, it literally just shut off. You can see the fan spinning down a little bit. There's spiderwebs here. Gen Tech motor as well. I'll just scroll on. There's the LG scroll down there. There's some good angles down here. Oh, listen to that sound. Sounds nice. Yeah. They're running. 2 of the 3 are running. This one was just running. So yeah. Yep. 3 carrier comfort series units. Alright, we're going to check on the 2009 ones now. Put out some nice air. You can hear it. The compressor noise a little bit too. Now there are people here, as you can see all these cars right here. So that means most of these units are going to be on. Yeah, I think some of them are running. Oh! This is the first time I've ever seen this one running. Holy crap. This one is on for the first time. I've never seen this one run before. I've seen that one. This one's on. Intake motor. Copeland scroll. Yeah, this is a 2009 5-ton. Also cool and sweaty. This one doesn't have a logo, and I actually caught this. I caught this one defrosting back in March, if you remember. A GE motor. Yeah, and it's a 2009, and it's 5-ton, as you can see right here. All cold and sweaty right there. One of these could turn on and startle the crap out of me. Oh, this one's running as well. Or has been running. Oh god, one of these are going to scare me. None of these ones are running back here. I like the fan blades on this one. I'm plugging my ears in case one turns on. But yeah, these are all from 2009. They're mostly 5-ton. This one's actually a 4-ton. This is the only 4-ton. This one's a 5-ton. This one's a 5. Wait, this is a 3 ton. What? That's a 3 ton. And this was a 5 ton. Alright, so 4 out of the 6 are 5 tons. These 2 right here. This one's a 3 ton and this one's a 4 ton. And those are the 2 that are running back there. So I'm gonna, yeah. Get a chance to get a screenshot. Let's check on the 2021 5 ton. This thing's running in cool mode for the second time I've ever seen it. Even though this thing is new, it's starting to get dirty. There's a Copeland Emerson scroll. Here. Rotation fan motor. Never caught this one defrosting before. That fresh shiny golden reversing valve. Yes, I said golden. All nice and cold and sweaty. That's about outdoor temperature. Yep, 49th week of 2021, 5 ton. December 2021. And Climatic Heating and Cooling installed this, I think. And over here we got and that's all cold and sweaty. We got a lot of condensation down here. See some of that puddle down there? That's a lot of condensation. Jeez. So yeah, more units running in cool mode. Remember back in June remember last month I filmed these things in cool mode? This is a better video of it. See a screenshot. Right there.
5 units here tomorrow at lunchtime.
Ooh.
They're going to have them cracked open.
Ooh. Oh, the Rheem is running nice. Things in cool mode finally. 2012 5 ton. Nice. Having out a good amount of air. It has a Copeland scroll compressor, and there's the capacitor right there. That's a heat pump. Yeah, it runs in heat mode. So yeah, Rheem. Get a chance to take a screenshot. Alright. Let's go check on that York. Let's go check on this York over here. Yeah, it's running in cool mode. You can hear the compressor really well. Here. R4 went away. Here's some condensation here. I'll put off of this. Yeah, this thing's running in cool mode. I've never seen this thing. I've seen this thing in cool mode before. 2014 5 ton. Yeah. So yeah, York Affinity series running cooling mode. What's behind here? Oh, it's nothing. It's just a back door. Here. York Affinity series. Alright. There's that. Has the 3.5 ton carrier, which I filmed many times. running or not running. Yeah, it's running in cool mode. So yeah, more units running in cool mode. There's a reversing valve. Carrier leg was trying to come off. I stopped it though. Broad ocean fan motor. Broad ocean fan motor. It's an LG scroll. It's from 2000. It's from 2018. It's a 3.5 ton. June 2018. It's all cold, sweaty. Alright, so yeah. Carrier comforters. Yeah, right here. Get a chance to take a screenshot. And yeah, there's like a little playground place up thing right there. This learning center right here. Some balls right there. I wish there were visible units at that place right there. Like, I really wish there were. They're still running. I'll see if I can get a startup. If any of them turned off, and then I can catch the startup after. This thing's still running. And yeah. I think Carlos is coming. Oh, I can get to start this thing. Alright, so thank you for watching. Over and out. Let's try to get a start up with that one, and then yeah. Thank you for watching. Over and out.